Hey friends, I've gotten a lot of positive feedback from the leftover challenge that I did with the album, the Simply Magical meal album that we made. So I'm going to do it again with this album that we've made. This was the actual last album that we made on video. And this one is the Simply Magical Botanical. And this is the landscape version. So the other one was the portrait version. But this one, I have a video series. I will link it up here in the cards and down below in the description box if you want to make this album. Actually, I'll link the flip through up here and down below. So if you want to see if you want to make this album from start to finish. Yeah, so I have leftovers. Lots and lots of leftovers. Plus I have things that I had purchased with this collection that I didn't include in the video series because I kind of wanted to scale back a little bit. So I was going to send that and all of my leftovers. So if you want to be a part, if you want to, if you're interested in doing this, leave me a comment below this video. And I kind of have just a few requirements. The last person who did it, her name was Amanda, and she was amazing. She got it done really fast, and I really appreciated that. And so, if you're interested, leave me a comment. You need to be a subscriber to my channel, and you need to have these templates. So the Simply Magical Landscape, I'll link them down below. Set of templates, and what I'm asking you guys to do is I'm going to send you all of this stuff, not the album. I'm going to send you all of this leftover stuff and maybe even more. I will film that, what I send to you, and then when you get the album finished, then you need to be able to mail it back to me, and then I will film a flip through of your album. Now I just posted today, I just posted that video for the last leftover challenge, and I will link that one up here and down below if you want to check it out to see if you're interested. So you need to be a subscriber, you need to own the templates, and you need to be able to get it done in a reasonable amount of time. So if you're interested, let me know, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed. And I will pick, I guess I should tell you, I will pick a person. I like to, I wrote them all down last time, and I went through and made sure that they were subscribed, make sure that they had the templates, and so on and so forth. So, let's see, I will leave a date down below when I will choose someone, and then we'll go from there. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.